Glad the fan is off. The custom project Lone Can Armor 6S swap. Jesus Christ. This was a full nightmare. And guess what? I gotta take it all back apart. Cause I think my ESC is bad from my last crash. Took it out, drove it around my driveway. Didn't even get on it like that. ESC on fire. And I had a fan on. I took it off for this video though. Or right before the video because I need to start taking everything apart. But ESC smoking hot. Top of this battery pack is hot. It's just weird. All this shit I just did. Gotta take it back apart. But I'm glad to see this work. I was looking on YouTube trying to find a video where somebody did a short chassis with this Lone Can TP, and I could not find one. It was one dude that did it, but he moved his motor mounts all the way forward and all that, and I'm not doing all that. I already did enough with trying to even put this shit on, and all these damn extra wires with this XLS and the 2 fans and this fan. Man, I'd have stripped it and relocated everything, put the cat pack over there. It's just a lot, man. Then had to use an extra piece of plastic I had to make a bracket for the ESC to even sit on. And this probably just Jimmy rigged and just super not right now. Hopefully I could clean it up later, but I just wanted to get it on and make sure everything was working. Got a spacer right there and a spacer on the back because this plate was sitting on top of the spur gear for some weird reason. It don't look like it, but you can see it's a bolt for a spacer right there. A spacer in the front of this one. But yeah, it worked. It worked. I think this ESC is burnt out from my last crash. Like I said, I had the same setup, the TP with this XLS on a bio. Oh, matter of fact, here you go right here. And yeah, hit the curve at about 100 and at least 110, 105, and everything just crumbled. And I think that ESC took a beating with that crash. One of the cat packs in the front, the little miniature ones that come on here. I noticed 2 of them had got pushed in, but oh shit, I was like, oh, it might still work. And it's working, but it's glitching and shit. Everything is hot, so time to order another one. You can see the crack right there. So something is not right with that. There's no way in hell this should be smoking hot like this just off of doing U-turns in the driveway. The motor was not hot, but the ESC got hot as hell. The top of the battery got hot as hell. So all this shit I just did, cramming everything on here, and making the body fit, and it's just a whole lot of BS. Just got it brand new, stripped it down. As soon as I got it out the box, I stripped it down. Never put shit